Good afternoon, tasty liquor lovers. Welcome to Swill and Grog's Beer Review, Season 2, Episode 1. And what do we have for you on this Season 2 premiere, you may ask? We have Boddingtons Pub Ale, 4.7% alcohol by volume, brewed and distributed by InBev UK Limited. Yeah, and what else can I tell you? Well, it comes in this 440ml can, and yeah, there's a little bit of blurb on the back of it. Let's have a look. Since 1778, when it was first brewed at the Strange Ways Brewery in Manchester, Boddingtons has been renowned as a unique pale gold ale. In English pubs, Boddingtons is served using the traditional hand-pulled method, producing a distinctive creamy head and smooth body with little gassiness. Ordinary packaged beer cannot match this quality, but the new draft flow system does. Draft flow cans give the creamy head an authentic fresh taste of Boddington's Pub Ale. For best results, serve cool but not ice cold. Well, yeah, that I find rather interesting because yeah, I always yeah put my beer in the fridge and yeah, give it a few days to get deep chilled. But anyhow, I've had this yeah, sitting out for about 15 minutes or so now, so perhaps it is at you know, a good serving temperature. Anyway, without further ado, I think we should crack it open and pour it into a nice ice cold glass. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's give it a pour. Okay, let's give it a gentle pour this time. Alright. I know this is probably going to take a bit of time to probably settle. Alright, much like Kilkenny or Tetley's. Yeah, that's what I'm anticipating. Alright. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it appears to have a very nice creamy head. It's settling relatively quickly. Let's see, it's got about yeah, just a little over 2 fingers of head there. Yeah, it's a very nice golden colour. Yeah, yeah, very nice golden colour. Yeah, very very pleasant. Yeah, very pleasing to the eye. Yeah, that head's sticking around too, so that's nice to see. Yeah, but I think that was a rather good pour. So as far as appearance goes, it looks pretty darn good, I must say. Yeah. Alright, so let's have a smell. I dipped my nose in that. Yeah, it has a rather grainy, bready sort of a smell. Fairly mild though. That's all I'm really picking up. Anyhow, now for the most important part, the most important part, the taste. Alright. Surprisingly sweet. But there is some fairly mild hop bitterness there as well. Yeah, it's quite watery too. Not, yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, it doesn't have that much in the way of carbonation really. of typical of this style of beer. Yeah. Well, and I could definitely say it rates well in terms of drinkability too. It's as you can see, it's just going down really quickly. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. I've never really had anything quite like this. It's like some sort of a hybrid between like an ale and a lager, actually. Yeah. It's not completely flat. There is some carbonation there. Yeah. It's a very nice balance of flavours. I should have a bit more left in the can here. Best I just polish it all off. Alright. Yeah, it's really quite impressive. I'm really pleasantly surprised by this, as a matter of fact. It's not what I was expecting at all. I probably would buy this again, in fact. Yeah. Yeah. Let me have a bit more. Yeah, well, it's not exactly very, flavourful. I mean, like I said, it's fairly mild, but it is a nice balance of flavours. It doesn't exactly blow my mind, but yeah, I am pleasantly surprised by its taste. It's nice. It's definitely a nice drinkable beer. Yeah, and I may very well buy it again. Alright, so a rating out of 10. I'd probably give Boddingtons Pub Ale 7.5, 7.5 or 7.5 out of 10. So yeah, there you go. Alright, so that brings us to the end of yet another Swill and Grog beer review. So, until next time, cheers.